Hi, this is Karthik. I am going to be talking about improper credential usage in this video. I can steal secret keys or token from your mobile app in under 2 minutes without hacking anything. And if you are a beginner mobile developer, there's a high chance your app already has this problem. This is called hardcoding a credential. It could be an API key, token, password, anything sensitive. Now let's see how easy it is to extract this. Let's first create a sample iOS application which will have a secret API key, and we are going to steal it, pretending to be an attacker. Now we will keep our API key within our code hard coded. This is a common mistake, looks harmless, right? I will launch the application now. A build is going to be generated. Let me open my terminal and I am going to use some commands. That gives me the app files, just like an attacker would get it. This is how the app files will look, and I am just going to grab some values from this file. That's your secret, publicly visible. No hacking, no jailbreak, no advanced tools. Just reading what your app already contains. That's it. This secret is not a secret anymore. Here's the truth most beginners don't realize: anything inside your mobile is public. Credentials are anything that gives access, password, API keys, tokens, session IDs, hard coding, storing in files, logging, sending in URLs. All of these expose your secrets, and this can, if I get your API key, I can call your backend like your app. That means data leaks, account takeover, fraud. So what should you do instead? Never put real secrets in your app. Use backend issued tokens, make tokens short-lived, store sensitive data securely using keychain. Your mobile app is not secure place. Your backend is. Before shipping your app, ask yourself, did I hard code any secret? Are tokens short-lived? Am I exposing anything in logs? Does my backend validate everything? If you remember one thing from this video, if it's in your app, it's already public. Hena ku